Hey folks, this is awfully scary. It's still December and my family got me this screen doohickey over here. I have no idea how it works, so it kind of looks normal. I guess. I guess my family went. I don't have that much space. It's just right here. I don't even have space for the light thingy. I don't really care, but it's kind of spooky, I guess. Let's see. I'm just tired. It's still December 25th, I think. I don't know if I'm caught in a time loop, but didn't I do 5 more videos? I think I did videos. It's just, I'm not sure. Are they going out? So anyway, you have a nice Christmas, folks. Things are getting a little weird. I think the 26th we have the eclipse. And then also on the 26th we'll have a new moon too. So that's going to be fun. And I guess Hubble's cat will be on the live stream and talking about December 27th. Well, I think we're already invaded, Hubble, so be happy. It's your kind of people. All socialists. So I guess we're in trouble, folks. Okay, catch you later, folks.